welcome back to our channel. Today we will be teaching you how to make this origami swallow. For this project, all you need is a 1 square 6-inch piece of origami and tape to hold the beak down and to hold this right here. Want to build it? Let's get started. Start off by folding in half, cord side up. Now go to the white side and fold in half. Same thing. Now unfold. Now you should have a cross and an X. Now you just want to push this down. And then you just want to squash this. Make sure that it lines up correctly. Squash down. And then you just want to fold. Make sure you only grab one piece and that the side that opens is facing towards you. You just want to fold it this way, right there. Do the same thing on the other side. Fold down. Unfold. Now you just want to open this up and then squash it down. Do the same thing on the other side. You just want to push this down like this. It should be the same steps on how to make the origami crane. If you see that video, click on the info card that's right there on the left corner of the screen. Now you just want to fold this, turn it the other way, do the same thing. Fold this down. Unfold, do the same thing. Open up and just squash. Do the same thing on the other side. Now you should have this right here. Now that you have this, you just want to grab this, fold it to the middle. Do the same thing on the other side. And then you just want to flip it over and do it all again. Now you should have this. Now you just want to open this up and squash it down. This side should look like this, and you want to have this right here. Just want to squash it down. And then fold. Now you should have this. Now that you have this, you just want to fold this down. Make sure it folds all the way down to that line right there. All the way down to right there. Then unfold, open, and just push this down just like that. Super easy. And then just squash it down. Now you should have this. Do the same thing on the other side. Just want to fold this all the way down there. Fold. Do the same thing on the other side. And I just want to open this up and squash this down. And there you go. Double check to make sure that it works. Alright, now you should have this. Now you just want to grab this side and fold it up. Just like this. And now that you have this, you just want to fold this down to like right there. Fold it down and then just fold it up. Now you can use some tape if you want to keep it down. Just grab a tiny piece, any kind of tape will do. You just want to go like this, and right here you just want to fold. You just want to put the tape right there and then fold right here. And then to keep the nose down, you can just grab a tiny piece of tape. Just like this. Alright, now that you have this done, you just want to finish the tail. You just grab some scissors. Now that you have scissors, you just want to cut down the middle. And then right there is like perfect. Now, you just want to grab this and bring it over just like that. And then you want to grab some tape. And then you just want to go right here and then just tape it down. And there you go, your own origami sparrow. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, turn on notifications, to never miss one of our latest videos, and we'll see y'all next time.